How to log out of your Outlook account. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Outlook. If you are logged into your account, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is click on this profile at the top left corner of the screen. Head over to this gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. It will open up your settings. Tons of different options will be visible to you, but head over to Accounts and then simply tap on your account that you want to log out. At the bottom, the option of Remove Account will be visible to you. Click on it. It says Remove account from this device or from all mobile devices where Outlook has been installed. As we just want to log out from this device, all you want to do is click on Remove from this device. After that, you will be successfully logged out of your account. You can log back to your account anytime you want to, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this was a tutorial video on how to log out of your Outlook account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.